I was born into roofing. I've done it since I could walk, being on roofs and whatnot. I started full-time in '96. CIR, we've been around 40 plus years. We do everything from built-up, single plies, coatings, you name it.
J2 is an architectural and engineering firm. We diagnose, prescribe, and treat. Think of us like building doctors. We oversee the contractors and construction process to make sure it's all done correctly. This project we've been working on for the past 12 years, culminating up to this piece. This roof was at the end of its useful life, and it was having problems at all the corners and all the various penetrations. We had leaks here, leaks there. The existing system was the old school torch-down roof, and we started working with CIR and getting to a cost-effective approach. And we know we wanted to do a tapered system. We know we wanted a TPO system.
When I first started roofing, it was a lot of hot tar built-up roofs, coatings, emulsions, cutbacks, things to that effect. When we saw RapidLock come out, we were really excited to give it a try. This project was originally specified as a BUR replacement, and because of the limitations on access at this site, it seemed like a good project for it.
Behind me, we're right on Puget Sound, so we are right next to a big wind speed, and we knew we had wind issues. We were excited looking at the RapidLock system because that's a fully adhered without all the glue and smell.
The project is 7 stories tall, and we're only allowed to have a crane come in so many days to load and offload trash and bring supplies up, so that would have just added one more complication. So once we had the board down and it was fastened, we weren't, dealing with the temperatures for the adhesives, whatever's going on outside as far as humidity goes. All of that was taken out of the equation. And once the board was done, we were ready to put the membrane on.
The RapidLock is super fast. With the other traditional fully adhered, you're waiting for the glue to dry, you're waiting for it to set or flash off. And with this hook and loop system, you can just lay it down, roll it out, and then weld your seams and you're good. The cost savings comes from obviously labor putting it down, but without doing the demo and tearing everything off.
We're always looking at ways, whether it's technology or application, just whatever we can do to simplify the manpower needed on a roof. But our crew loves it now after doing it. My foreman loves it after doing it. Watching the install and the way things have gone, I think we're on board with it.
The hook and loop idea is awesome, and I'm really glad Carlisle brought it to market because it makes a ton of sense. We use this product in our daily lives, and so why aren't we using it on roofs, and why aren't we saving time, saving money? Slick product.